This is how you plug a tire. Let's put a hole in it first. Okay. So, first, you take your reaming tool and just push it through a couple times just to clean it out. Get all the loose rubber out. Then you take one of your plugs, you put it through the eye of this needle. You just pull it to about halfway. Then you take your rubber cement and you smear it all on your plug like that, so it gets all nice and sticky. There you go. So now you want to push this into the hole, twist it around a bit until it goes in, and you want the plugs to be sticking out like the ends of the plugs to be sticking out like 1/2 inch. And then to get this tool out, you just gotta pull really hard and it will go through the little slot on the top and the plug will stay in but the tool will come out. So 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. Perfect. Okay, so now you got your plug in there. Now all you gotta do is fill it up with air. Let's go. Okay. There you go. Now you just take some snips or something, snip the plugs off just a bit. That's how you plug a tire.